Welcome to the introduction of the new and improved Arduino Uno R4 board. This is sure to be the talk of the maker world. After more than 10 years, the Arduino Uno R3 has been the industry standard microcontroller board, so it's no surprise that the release of the Uno R4 has caused quite a stir. The Uno R4 will maintain the same pinout and layout of the R3, but it will offer a massive leap forward in terms of processor power, RAM, storage, and connectivity. It will be available in both a Minima and Wi-Fi version and contains a 32-bit Renesas RA4 M1 CPU running at 48 MHz, which is a huge upgrade from the 8-bit, 16 MHz ATmega 328P processor in the R3. There is a USB-C port for connection to a PC, and the power connector can handle up to 24 volts, an increase from the maximum of 20 volts that the R3 can support. The Uno R4 will also come with 32K of SRAM, which is 16x more than the 2K on the R3, plus 256K of onboard NAND, as opposed to 32K on the R3. The Uno R4 also comes with other features, such as a 12-bit analog DAC, a CAN bus, and an SPI port. For added surprise, Arduino has added yellow and green boxes over parts of the PCB in the official photo of the Uno R4 and has not revealed what's under the boxes until closer to the launch in May. At the moment, the price of the Uno R4 has not been disclosed, but it is likely to be at least $25 for the Minima version, and higher for the Wi-Fi version. With its immense power and huge range of extra features, the Uno R4 looks set to be a toolmaker's dream board. However, it might face some stiff competition from boards based on Raspberry Pi's RP2040 chip. These RP2040 boards are running at a generous 133 MHz, with dual cores and 256K of SRAM, and the Pi Pico board with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities will cost just $6. On the other hand, the Uno R4 can handle a lot more power than an RP2040 board, with its hefty 24 volts capacity. So, keep an eye out for the Arduino Uno R4, available in May, and get ready to create some amazing projects. Without further ado, let's dive in and look at what it is capable of.